Hey team, I wanted to take a minute and talk through the 16.2 milestone plan. I know we just finished 16.0, we're just kicking off 16.1. Never too early to start talking about the next milestone though. Today, just talking about themes and objectives though. As a reminder, our big theme for 16.1 is more customer feedback. So some objectives there is getting customers the ability to add an existing visualization to a custom dashboard. So that'll be enabling those custom dashboards, the custom dashboard creation, the visualization creation, the designer for that, and then being able to save a visualization and put it into a dashboard. So we have some to-dos there. I think we're missing a couple from the list, but we'll get those filled in. And then on my side, collecting feedback from 2 or more customers who've been onboarded. So that's the big thing that as infrastructure is wrapping up and we get those first customers onboarded, collecting some feedback from them, initial impressions, what they're finding as they use, as they set up, making sure that onboarding is really smooth. So then into 16.2, the theme that I've set is get ready for beta. We do have a pretty short phase for experiment, our exit criteria being 5 or 6 weeks after we get the first customer onboarded. So it'll be a pretty quick iteration for us to get ready for beta. So the milestone objectives, some of these will have issues, some won't. Collecting feedback from 3 more customers that we've onboarded. So our total target is 5 customers in the experimental phase, 5 different companies with projects that are collecting data and building dashboards or using the built-in dashboards, getting us feedback. Incorporating the feedback that we've received from the already onboarded customers. Until we receive some, we're not going to have issues. So that might end up being a stretch for this milestone. And then infrastructure readiness for beta. Dennis and team are going to look to you to figure out what we need to do from Runberg perspective or changing Helm charts or whatever it is that we need to do to get the stack ready for beta and ensuring that we're good to go there. On my side, pricing and packaging readiness, taking the data that we collect from the experiment as far as the event volume, what the costs are in the cluster, turning that into a recommendation for the pricing team, how we think we should structure this for customers. And then for Kevin and I, prototyping the next 2 features that we think we should go build to determine viability for the general availability release. Quick prototypes could be clickable prototypes, could be just designs, but something that we can use to validate with a customer. Is this the thing that they value? And then validate with engineering. Is this something that we think we can build? And how long is it going to take us to do that? So that we can start to pick up the pace a little bit in creating more valuable features for the customer base. So that's what I'm initially thinking for our theme and objectives, totally subject to change based on feedback. So you can leave me comments here in the 16.2 milestone planning issue or send me a Slack as a response to this video after I post it in the channel. Thanks.